Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. So in today's video, I want to show you 3 simple tips on how to stay laser focused when running a YouTube channel. I did want to shoot this video inside in my YouTube studio, which is located in my basement, but for the last year and a half, I've been shooting videos either outside, like today, because it's nice out today. The last couple of days we received a lot of rain. We plan on receiving a lot of rain in the next few days, so until I get my YouTube studio cleaned up in my basement, I'm going to find different locations to shoot my videos. I'm usually shooting videos in my dining room where I actually work and when I take breaks, because I am allowed to take breaks, whether it's a lunch break or a 15-minute break, which I'm shooting now during my work break. I'm going to shoot this video for you guys outside since it's nice. So basically I want to share with you guys 3 simple, easy tips that you guys can follow to stay laser focused when running your YouTube channel. And the first tip is, guys, you can be your own boss. You can set your own schedule. You can set when you can film your own videos. You can set when you're going to edit your own videos. You can be your own boss as far as when you want to upload the videos, whether you want to do it once a week, twice a week, every single day, once a month. You guys are the CEOs, the presidents of your own YouTube channel, guys. You guys can do whatever you guys want when you create your videos, when running your channel. You know, you want to have that mindset that you are your own boss. You can do whatever you guys want. If you want to take a month off, a week off, I probably don't recommend taking off, especially if you want to step up in YouTube and, you know, step up your watch hours, step up the subscribers. I'm not going to recommend that you guys take that much time off, but you guys get the point. You can be your own boss and do your own thing. So for step number 2, guys, is going to be something that, you know, you may or may not agree on, which is when you create your own videos, you want to kind of think into the future. I know some people, you know, like I had mentioned in a lot of other videos, if you're only shooting like once a month, once a week, you know, even if you're shooting every day, you want to always think about what you guys can do in the future. You want to think about future videos. You want to think ahead. You know, if you do a video, you know, showing somebody tips and you want to piggyback off that video and do something different, like for instance, I've done Q&A videos before, which, by the way, my answers are going to come out soon, guys, I promise. I just wanted to shoot other content in between. You know, when I give you guys the answers, you know, to your questions, you want to piggyback off old videos. So that's something you want to reference if you want to do a follow-up video. Think ahead, guys. You want to, if you just think on, you know, about one video and that's all you can think of, you kind of want to think outside the box. What can I do in my next video that's related to another video that I've done in the past to give you more video ideas? You know, like Q&A, guys. I keep bringing it up, but it's a great point. So for my last and final step, you know, don't worry about what other people are doing. If you worry about what other content creators are doing, it's gonna throw cobwebs in your head, and it's just gonna throw you all over the place. You know, you're not gonna be able to stay laser focused on your channel, your goal, as far as, you know, creating the content that you want to create. You know, not everybody's going to like your videos. You know, they're going to give you a thumbs down. You know, it's going to happen to you. It happens to me in my videos. You know, stay laser focused on your craft, on what you want to do and what you want to create. You know, don't compare yourself to other YouTubers, what other YouTubers are doing. If they're doing, you know, better B-roll than you, or if they're talking in front of a camera better than you, don't worry about it. You know, I stutter in my videos. I catch myself saying things, you know, after I upload the video. I'm like, you know, why did I say that on camera? You know, if you take your time, you know, and you practice, you guys are gonna get it. I'm still practicing in front of, you know, being in front of a camera, trying to feel comfortable with talking to you guys. You know, whether you're talking to one person, or in my case it's 1,160 some subscribers, but you want to act like you're talking to millions of people, because you just don't know if millions of people are going to be seeing your video. What if the video goes viral and millions of people watch the video? You want to act like you're talking to an audience, you know, and to make yourself feel comfortable, maybe at first you want to act like that you're talking to one person, like, you know, you're talking to your best friend or one of your buddies, or, you know, your spouse or one of your kids. well, maybe not one of your kids, because you don't want to yell and scream on the camera, guys. You parents will understand that. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So these are some of the tips that I can give you guys. They're just 3 easy tips that came, to my head. I was doing some brainstorming, trying to figure out what videos I wanted to shoot, and I thought I wanted to shoot this video to help you guys stay laser focused on your YouTube channel. Don't worry about everybody else, guys. That's going to be my last and final step. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I hope soon to get my YouTube studio cleaned up. I want to get some different lighting in my studio, some accent lights maybe. The lights that I did on prior videos just aren't working out. They don't illuminate as much as I want them to. So I might do a backdrop, with a sheet with maybe some clips up in the rafters. You guys won't see that part of it. You'll just see the sheet coming down, and have some neon lighting perhaps project on that and give you guys a nice cool background. But I need to get the studio cleaned up first, guys. So if you guys like today's video, if you like these tips, you think they're going to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.